Are you ready for some football? Tonight, the NFL kicks off football. Fall. One of the things I love is football season. I am a huge college football fan. You could even call me a super fan. So I want you to join me every Thursday on my Facebook page, Origami Owl Nancy Pie Designer, or in my Ohana Aloha Pineapple Paradise for tailgates and touchdowns. We're going to have a lot of fun, some games, some surprises, some recipes, and of course some game day swag. And talking about game day swag, let me show you a few pieces. This is our Storyteller watch. Love it. You can put 2 to 3 charms in there, and I have a football helmet, a megaphone, and a football in there. There are different colors for the leather band, so you could change it out for your team. But white goes with everything. I also have my favorite twist face locket watch, and I put in there the Swarovski crystal window plate, and it is just the perfect sparkle to add to my game day swag. Of course, we have the best little rings that you can wear, petite rings. This one is for the Georgia Bulldogs, and this is for my Yellow Jackets. And you can throw 2 to 4 charms in there. And you know what's fun about these? You can wear them even when it's not game day. Conversation piece. Talk about your team. A couple other things. This is our vintage locket, and I just made this one an Auburn fan. There's an Auburn logo in there. There is a football, and there is a tiger in there. And of course, my favorite locket is mine, the Yellow Jacket locket I have. It is so fun. You can go to our inscriptions and inscribe your plate. I don't know if you can see this. This just says Georgia Tech, Yellow Jackets, and I threw in there a couple of my favorite charms to wear because our colors are gold, navy, and white. I wear a lot of gold. But if lockets and rings are too much, why not your game day colors in this beautiful Swarovski crystal wrap? So, are you ready for some football? Don't forget to join me on Thursdays, touchdowns and tailgates, for fun, games, surprises, recipes, and, of course, some game day swag.